Hi everyone, it's Josh here from Firmax Australia. Today unboxing our new version 2 8 megapixel dome or turret IP camera. So you get the box itself with new part number FVN-IP 8 megapixel version 2, branded Firmax Oz. Inside the box you get new mounting holes, packing list, manuals, get an Allen key. That's how it's secured to the base. The difference between this 8 megapixel camera and the version before is this one is a full metal body. So both the base and the top is full metal. If you have a look at the dome camera, there it is by itself. Branded Firmvision, metal case, metal base, and secured by the Allen key. So what we can do is we can loosen off the Allen key like that, which then allows us to twist to the two arrows and release the camera itself. So there you go. And if we install it back again, put the camera back in, the base, we line up the two arrows, twist, and then once you're happy with the position of the camera, we can lock it in place with the Allen key. Very secure. And there it is, tightened. So there you go. Version 2. 8 megapixel, full metal, top and base IP camera, now in stock at the same great price as the old 8 megapixel camera. Josh from Firmax Australia. Bye for now.